India, a country with over 130 crore aspiring people, has a rich cultural heritage and centuries of evolutionary tradition manifested by the huge variety of handicrafts made all over the country. These handlooms and handicrafts are a mirror of the cultural identity of the ethnic people who make it, which needs to be shown and promoted around the world for its exclusivity and uniqueness. In the year 2020, uniting everyone in India is the mantra Vocal for Local that resonated with the citizens for the making of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India.
हर भारतवासी को अपने लोकल के लिए वोकल बनना है।
September 2003 marked the enforcement of Geographical Indications registration under the Geographical Indications of Goods Act 1999. Geographical indications, or simply GI, is referred to goods which have a deep-rooted connection with its place of origin. They have a legacy built up on unmatched environmental conditions or indigenous customs of their specific regions of origin. A GI registered product ensures that none other than those registered as authorized users are allowed to use the popular product name. For example, it certifies that only tea that specifically comes from Darjeeling and meets the quality standards for production can be called and sold as Darjeeling tea. Some more examples to that are Bastar Iron Craft, Tirupati Laddu and Nasik Drapes. This is how you get a GI tag. Step 1. Apply. Filling in a detailed application of the special characteristics and their maintenance. Step 2 and 3. Scrutiny and examination. The application is scrutinized and examined for any deficiencies by a consultative group of experts. Step 4. Clarification. A show cause notice is sent by the registrar in case of any objection, giving the applicant 2 months' time to clarify the case. Step 5. Publication. Every application within 3 months of acceptance is published in the Geographical Indications Journal. Step 6. Verification. Once the application is in public domain, it is open to oppositions for a period of 3 months. A copy of the same is sent to the applicant for a counter statement to the opposition. Step 7. Certification. As the application gets accepted, it is registered and a certificate of registration is issued to the applicant with a validity of 10 years. GI-tagged Indian products bring to the light the life and skills of thousands of artisans who have been involved in practicing and promoting products from their heartlands. They are not only unique, but the art is antique as well. Naga chili since 2005. Also known as Naga Morich, is one of the hottest known chili peppers grown in Nagaland. Bhagalpur silks since 1920. The city of Bhagalpur is known for sericulture and weaving of tussar silks of a distinct and special type. Kullu shawl since 1940. Woven by Kulvi people in Kullu Valley of Himachal Pradesh, the shawls are hand-woven with sheep or yak's wool in elegant geometric designs, which can go up to 8 colors. Pochampally Ikat since 18th century. Bhudan Pochampally, a weaving town, 50 kilometers from Hyderabad, is best known for its ikat weaves, a tie and dye weaving technique. Kota Doria since 17th century and 18th century. It is the name of a lightweight fabric made of tiny woven squares, also known as khat, hand woven on traditional pit looms in Kaithun near Kota in Rajasthan. Banarsi sari since 16th century. On the banks of Ganges is situated the oldest city of the country, Banaras, now Varanasi. The saris are made of fine woven silk decorated with silver and gold zari. Bastar Dokra since 16th century. With a predominant tribal population, forested district of Bastar in Chhattisgarh is the place where souvenirs made from an alloy of brass, nickel and zinc are made. Bidri ware since 14th and 15th century, a metal handicraft from Bidar in Karnataka. It uses a blackened alloy of zinc and copper inlaid with thin sheet of pure silver. Odisha Pattachitra since 5th century. They are traditional cloth-based scroll painting with intricate details of mythological narratives and folk tales originally created for ritual use and as souvenirs for pilgrims visiting Puri in Odisha. Coat pad handloom fabric since 3rd century. Tribal weavers of Mirgan community of Kotpad village in Koraput, Odisha are known to develop this vegetable dyed fabric. The natural dye is manufactured from the owl tree grown in this area. With each such product soaked with India's rich culture, heritage and geographical uniqueness makes these GI tagged products exclusive for the world. Local is now going global. You are welcome.